What up, everybody? What up, what up, what up? Another Cook You Bastards here in the crap kitchen, which actually it is becoming less crappy. Got ourselves a new stove here, getting the new backsplash going in, and yes, there's the old workhorse right there. We love her, but she had to go. What are we doing today? Well, today we're doing popcorn, and I'll tell you why. Because quite frankly, microwave popcorn is an abomination. It is easy, it's convenient, but let's face it, it's crap. But what we're going to do is we're going to cook this shit in the kettle. All right, it's the way God intended it. It's the way we're going to do it. The first question is, what are we going to cook them in? Well, here is the secret, guys. Coconut oil. All right, I'll put the shit on everything. It smells good, smells like coconuts, go figure. Let's do this. Okay, we have our big old Duck's Top induction cooking expert, cooktop expert. Now, we turn it on, see? And then we, see, right now it's saying EO, which I imagine stands for electricity is on. No. Means my pot doesn't work. That's something that we need to talk about. When you have an induction thing like this, you have to have the right kind of pot. Now, I don't have the right kind of pot here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this thing off and I'm going to get the right pot. Alright? It's a good lesson for all you kids out there. Alright? I'll be right back. If you're looking to use any sort of oil, I would definitely suggest canola oil, but in this case we're going to use coconut oil. Yeah, here we go. Now sometimes we use measuring cups. I'm not big on measuring cups, but we're just going to keep it here. Let's see what we have in here. Hey, look! We have pots. God damn it. Now, here we have another stock pot. And this one here, we take that, we put it on, and this sucker is going to work. Yeah, what could happen? Just looking for the top for that thing. But when in doubt, you have to improvise. And when you do that, oh, that's nice. You can be amazed at what can come up.
If that's on.
What the fuck is the top?
Down.
Yep. So we got our pot. Easy enough. If you do on the stovetop, I would suggest putting just start on high. Just to get the coconut oil melting. Now, I'm not real accurate with this stuff, but if you're somebody who really needs to measure, you're like an engineer type, fine. 3 tablespoons. How about that? You happy now? There we go. Got your 1, got your 2, and 3. 3 tablespoons. Not rocket science, people. Just calm the hell down and make some popcorn. Okay. Now, with popcorn, people tend to put too many kernels into the thing. They think, well, maybe I'll put in half of it, and they put in half of it, and then you end up with shit all over the place. Alright? Don't do that. This will fill a giant-ass bowl. Okay? Just a 1/4 cup. I'm going to find that giant ass bowl as it fills. Okay, so this is just about melted. 1/4 cup, that's it, and pop it in. Now, a lot of people say, well, you gotta put 1 in and then wait for that to pop. And it's like, no, don't do that. Just put the shit in there. Put it in the pot, put the top on, and let it just do its thing. And you know when it starts to pop because you will hear it start to pop. Okay? Let's keep it simple, people. Horrible Redenbacher, and I'm not kidding. I've tried a whole bunch of other ones. I tried the organic shit. Forget it. It just doesn't do it. Alright? It comes out chewy, comes out just sort of mealy and flavorless. This guy here, he did his homework. So what are we going to flavor this shit with? Well, you can just use plain old salt. I like kosher salt. Sticks nice. Everybody's happy. But what we're going to do is we're going to take some sugar. I've got maybe, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to take some of this bad stuff. It's called cumin. Hear that, people? It's starting to pop. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Alright, so we're going to take some cumin and call it a teaspoon. Yeah, a little more. You don't have to be real accurate with it. If you like Indian, you're going to love this. If you don't like Indian, no, tough shit, what can I say? And then, I'm going to put the salt in there. And this is the regular kosher salt. It's not a finishing salt, it's just kosher salt. Maybe about 2 teaspoons. Alright. The popcorn has slowed down. The popping is dialed down. So, at this point, we're going to turn down the heat because we don't want it to burn. I turned it down to about a 1. Figure that's like medium on your stove top there. What we're going to do is we're going to take these ridiculous rubber gloves that we got. 2 sharks. Hey Larry, what? Let's have some popcorn. So, take the lid off. And look at that. Whoa, hey, still popping. We're all good here. Put in some of the sugar mix with the cumin. Good. Oh, it's hot. Give it a good shake. Turn that off. Now I'm just going to put it in a bowl, which I know where it is. See, because the bowls are kept. There we go. See, I should really talk to my wife about where we put things away, huh? It's good. Alright. We take this, some of this. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. Now, the piece of resistance that I like to do, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. It already tastes really good as it is. Now, if you don't like cumin, fine. Don't even put any cumin in there. I don't care. This stuff is killer, killer with popcorn. It is white truffle oil. It's basically oil infused with white truffle flavorings. It's like $10 a bottle, and you're gonna never run out of this shit. But just pour it on, just like that, and then finish it with finishing salt. I like Malden. These guys have been making salt for a long time. Just drop it on like that. Do some of this. Mix it up. Okay. And now it's good. That is good. You can even maybe use a little more. A little more. But you got that sort of Indian flavoring with the cumin and the salt and the sugar. It gives a nice flavor. So, hot. I'm out of beer. There you go. Popcorn, people. It's all that we have for today. Cook, you bastards. Like us. Click on this thing. Whatever that is. Click on that. Remember to subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the more videos we can make. Well, you know what? No, we're just going to keep making videos. Who cares? But click on the subscribe button because there's going to be more things like this. I promise. I love you.